Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today's episode, we are making creamy and rich broccoli cheddar soup and chicken chipotle sandwich, just like Panera, only better. We're going to get started by adding about a fourth cup or 3 tablespoons of butter and some onion, not the whole thing going in the pot. Go ahead and cook your onions until they're translucent. That means they're going to start turning clear. Then we're going to add about 1 or 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let that cook for about 30 seconds. And then you're going to go in with about 1/4 of flour. This is going to make your soup thick, rich, and creamy. I'm also going in with 2 cups of chicken broth. You could also use vegetable broth if you would like. Give that a stir. It's going to come to a boil and become thick. At that point, you can go ahead and add your carrots. I'm using shredded carrots and chopped broccoli. I just use a frozen bag out of the grocery store. Let that cook down until your vegetables are soft. Give it a quick stir. And then you're going to add about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Make sure it is at room temperature because you don't want to mess up the temperature of your soup. I also kept a few florets on the side just to make a nice presentation. Then you're going to season your soup with salt, pepper, and a little cayenne just for a little kick. Give that a quick stir, and then the star of the show, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese that you like. At this point, your soup is ready. It is rich, creamy, decadent, delicious. I just have one question. Do you want a cup or a bowl? Now let's move on to our chicken sandwich. I'm using a rotisserie chicken breast today. You can use your hands or 2 forks. Then I'm going to be using my panini maker. I did put a little butter on my ciabatta roll, but you can use any bread that you have. And then I'm using some chipotle hot sauce. Put a heaping amount of the shredded chicken on there. I'm also going to be adding some roasted bell peppers and Gouda cheese and a nice fresh avocado. If you don't like avocado, you can leave it off. Let me know in the description box below what's your favorite Panera sandwich and soup. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Simply put your sandwich together and press down on your panini maker. A few minutes, you're going to have a nice, crispy, golden brown sandwich. Now, only thing you have left to do is simply plate your soup and sandwich. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.